Mastering maintenance. Silgan Plastics qualifies air leak costs. For more than 50 years, Silgan Plastics has helped define the plastic packaging industry. Silgan makes packaging for many of the most recognizable products on the market today, from salad packs to chocolate bunnies. Silgan Plastics has 19 plants across North America, each with dozens of critical assets that need monitoring and preventative maintenance, or PM. But the company didn't have a standardized approach to asset management that could help save time and money and increase productivity. Silgan turned to eMaint, a Fluke Reliability company. Silgan used eMaintenance to create a customized approach to tracking the health of their assets. For example, with the handheld Fluke ii910 precision acoustic imager, they can now easily measure the extent and cost of air leaks in real time with the help from a custom air leak dashboard. This lets them effortlessly assign and manage PMs and work orders, which keeps things running smoothly. Silgan Plastic now utilizes eMaint CMMS at all 19 plants throughout North America. By standardizing work orders and PM management, the company has shifted to a preventative rather than corrective approach to assist maintenance. Take your maintenance management strategy to the next level. Contact eMaint today.